Two national law organizations are weighing in on the Title IX lawsuit involving the Sioux Falls School District and say that the case could have national implications.
As we've been reporting on for months, parents of gymnasts are suing, saying the district violated Title IX when it cut girls' gymnastics earlier this year.
In response to the lawsuit, the district has been working to increase female participation in sports while, quote, adjusting male participation. Those changes have some parents upset.
And the American Sports Council and Pacific Legal Foundation, which filed a brief this week, say Title IX goes beyond just the numbers. KELOLAND's Dan Centella has the latest on the case.
With 3 kids in the district, Kelly Jerstad told the Sioux Falls School Board she opposes limiting the number of boys playing sports.
The reason I went in front of the board is because the kids who will be cut from these sports aren't going to have a voice. They're going to be cut without their side being heard. The coaches and the administration and the teachers are not allowed to speak publicly. And so I feel like someone needs to get up and say something so that the public knows what's going on.
Jerstad is assistant secretary for Lincoln High School's Booster Club. She says cuts are planned.
I know that the coaches have been told that they are going to have to cut boys from their rosters.
One of the authors of the brief filed this week in the Title IX case says limiting boys' participation is not a solution.
To prevent discrimination, you target one sex for discrimination. That just, from a common sense standpoint, it doesn't make any sense.
Sure. This week's filing says there were no allegations that athletes were discriminated against on the basis of their sex when the gymnastics program was cut. It goes on to say, quote, the Title IX statute merely requires non-discrimination with regard to sex. It does not require proportionality in athletic participation. In other words, comparing the number of female athletes with the number of male athletes is not the way to determine if Title IX is violated. And the court's resolution of this appeal will likely set a precedent that could affect student athletes far and wide.
Our greater concern is the legal precedent that could be set from this case by viewing it solely through a lens of statistics. So that's why we don't support either party.
In Sioux Falls, Dan Centella, KELOLAND News.
The national groups do not support either party in the lawsuit, but they do want the court's interpretation of Title IX to be reversed. To take a closer look at the brief and our previous coverage, check out this report on our website.